quilting, a half square triangle unit is a square that's made up with two right angle triangles that are joined together on the diagonal. This type of unit is used a lot in a lot of different quilting patterns, and there are many different ways to make this. Today I'm going to show you the easiest ever method to make half square triangle units. For this method, you'll need two squares the identical size. And the squares will be the same size that you want the finished unit to be. On the back of one of the squares, we're going to draw a diagonal line. Then place the squares right sides together and stitch exactly along this line. Once you've stitched along this line, you can remove the back half of the unit. This will be waste. And you'll open and press to have your finished half square triangle unit. A final press with the iron will give you just the size that you need. So what's good about this method of half square triangles? Well, it's really easy math. You just cut the squares to the size that you're going to need in your finished project. Also, there are no dog ears to trim. That's a great bonus. And you don't have to trim your finished units to size. Of course, there are also some things with this method that are not so good. For one thing, there is a lot of waste of fabric. You can always make bonus half square triangles with the extra fabric, but sometimes this just causes more stress because now you have another unfinished project. So when should you use this method for half square triangles? It's good if you're trying to make really tiny half square triangle units, like 1 or 1.5 inches. It's also good if you struggle with math, because with this method, there isn't any math to do. If you have lots of extra fabric, the waste isn't really a problem. If you're crunched for time, this method is pretty quick and easy. And if you just like this method, then feel free to use it, and don't let any quilt snobs tell you that you're doing it the wrong way. I give this method 3 out of 5 thimbles. It's not the best, but it's good to know. For different methods of making half square triangle units and other great quilting tutorials, check out epidastudio.com.